Hello, my name is Griffin Lovern, and here's my presentation on protecting against infection and STDs. So, epidemiological triad of disease. The three that are involved with the triad of disease are hospitable environment, agent and infectivity, and host susceptibility. So, as far as hospital environment goes, it includes things like temperature, light, and ventilation, and more things like that. Other than hospitable, agent infectivity includes virulence, ability to break body defenses, and unique pathogen characteristics. And as far as host susceptibility concerns, it includes things like genetics, smoking, age, and other things like that. STDs. STD stands for sexually transmitted disease. Every year, there are around 20 million new cases of sexually transmitted infections or sexually transmitted diseases. And most of the new cases of the 20 million are between the ages of 15 and 24. Different types of STDs. So the first type is chlamydia. Chlamydia is treatable with antibiotics, so you won't have it for the rest of your life if it is treated. Yet it sometimes has no symptoms, but if it is untreated and you don't get antibiotics for it, it can have arthritis type symptoms. It can even damage your blood vessels in your heart. You'll see throughout the video a lot of these STDs, if they are not treated correctly, can cause heart damage. Gonorrhea. Just in 2017, over 500,000 cases were reported. It can be very dangerous if you don't treat with antibiotics. And this is a different type of STDs continued. Syphilis. Syphilis is a bacterial infection which causes spots on your skin, which can even lead to heart damage. It kind of starts with spots on your skin, and it gets bigger, and then it can lead to bigger things like heart damage. Syphilis can be treated with antibiotics, so if you obtain this, make sure to go get an antibiotic because you do not want heart damage. And herpes. Herpes is a virus which causes sores on your skin. It is not curable, but there are ways to slow and ease the symptoms. Ways to prevent STDs. Obviously, the best way to prevent an STD is abstinence. The second best way is using a condom, which is also highly effective. And another way to prevent an STD is getting vaccinated for the potential STDs. And my sources are Access to Health 16th edition by Rebecca J. Donatel, which was in 2008. The CDC Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in 2022, and the Piedmont Healthcare at Piedmont.org in 2022.